In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Clickup, a task that will help you maintain focus by managing what you need to know and when. Let's dive in and walk through these steps to help optimize your Clickup experience. To begin, the first step is to navigate to the Clickup website. You can do this by typing in the web address into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. If you haven't already, bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you've reached the home page, you'll see a login button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and give that a click. This will take you to the login page where you can sign in to your Clickup account. On the login page, you'll notice various ways to access your account. Today, we'll choose Continue with Google for convenience, assuming you have linked your Google account with Clickup. Simply click this option and select the Google account you'd like to use, then follow the prompts to sign in. After you've logged in, casting your eyes to the top right corner once more, you'll find your profile icon. Click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options related to your account. From this menu, locate and click on Notifications. This feature comes in handy when you need to temporarily mute alerts, perhaps during deep work sessions or important meetings, ensuring you stay focused without unnecessary interruptions. But let's take things a step further and explore how we can customize these notifications based on our personal preferences. Again, start by clicking on your profile icon. This time, from the drop-down, select Settings. This will open the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Within the settings page, there's a specific tab dedicated to notifications. Click on the Notifications tab to access a wide range of options. Here, you have control over who you receive notifications from and under what circumstances, allowing you to fine-tune what is truly important to your workflow. Once you're on the notifications page, review the settings available. Take your time exploring each option, be it email notifications, mobile alerts, or desktop pop-ups, ensuring they align with your work needs and personal preferences. By the end of this process, you'll have effectively managed your Clickup notifications, allowing you to stay organized without being overwhelmed. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if your needs change in the future. Thanks for tuning in and happy clicking.